For centuries, people living in the Himalayan regions have used a powerful natural substance known as Shilajit, a rare resin formed over thousands of years from the slow decomposition of plants and minerals deep within the mountains. Modern science is now confirming what ancient traditions have always known, that pure Himalayan Shilajit is one of the most potent natural sources of minerals and fulvic acid on Earth. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, our bodies require around 102 essential minerals every single day, and Shilajit naturally contains over 84 of them. That's why it's often referred to as the mineral miracle of the mountains. These minerals play a vital role in supporting cellular energy, hormone balance, skin elasticity, and overall vitality. Many users report feeling increased focus, stamina, and even a visible glow in their complexion after consistent use. The key is purity and quality. Authentic Shilajit should come from high-altitude Himalayan regions, be lab-tested, and minimally processed to preserve its full mineral spectrum. If you're looking to naturally boost your energy, support immunity, and restore balance from within, check out the trusted Shilajit products linked in the description below. Each one is carefully selected for authenticity and potency, so you can experience the real benefits of this ancient Himalayan secret. Take your self-care to the next level. Nourish your body with nature's own mineral-rich gift.